Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video we are going to see regarding the one of the special kind of app. What means is a file manager app only, and that app name is File Manager Plus. And this video is especially for beginners who are going to use who are going to switch to Android TV. You can use that app also as a file manager app for your TV. That is File Manager Plus. Okay, it's time to download. We can see after download it up. I'm just typing a file manager in Play Store. Here you can see here is the app File Manager Plus. And why I'm suggesting this app for beginners means because it's very easy to use, guys. You can view your TV memory, and you can analyze your TV memory, and you can see photos, videos, documents, downloads easily, and you can access easily that photos, videos, documents and all. Okay, we can install it up first. It's installing. Just please wait. Okay, now it's installed. Now it's time to open the app. Just you need to allow all the permissions to allow. And here you can see, guys, in the main screen itself you can view your main storage. It means TV memory. My TV memory is totally 8 GB instant storage. Actually 6.3 GB is covered out of 8 GB. And this is the downloads. If you are downloading something, for example, if you are downloaded anything from your browser, means it will storage in this downloads folder. And this is the storage analysis. If you click this means, and here you can see there is just 1.73 GB only left out of 8 GB. 70% storage got filled up. And likewise you can see the storage analysis, and this is the images. And here you can see, here I'm having one image. You can view your image also, guys. If some images is which it is stored in your TV means also you can view your image. And this is the audio video. Currently I'm not having anything in my TV. Top one is the apps which we have installed. And another thing is these things and all, it's generally different. You can access this app from your computer too. And this is the remote connection. You can take remote. And this is the cloud storage. You can log in by using Google Drive or OneDrive. There's different kinds of apps are available in this cloud connection. And next thing is new files. Currently there's no new files. If any new files found in your TV means it will display it up here. And likewise there's a lot of things are there, guys, in this app. And yeah, this one day I just told this one day because it's very useful for beginners. And here you can see all the accessibilities were there in this single screen. You can use it up easily, especially for beginners. I'm telling, for pro users all of things are already known by you. For beginners I'm telling. And okay, guys, regarding this, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any queries or doubts, just ask me in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye, see you next video.